straight on to the conversation for today's video, as we do have the Bera on Zora NFT from the Berachain Airdrop official page over here, and we have this NFT to go and get ourselves over on Zora. So we'll leave you the link down below. Make sure to go and mint it. We can get it either on the base, on Ethereum. It is a little bit more pricey than the other one, so at your discrepancy it is $3, so kind of like what we have seen already. But make sure to go and claim this airdrop NFT, the Bera X Zora NFT, released from their official account as well over here. So very important. I will leave a link down below. As we see over here, already got mined, and we go, you can get 1, you can get 11, you can get 111, whatever you want, up to you. But all chains are possible. I can go and do it over here on the Arbitrum one, and you are good to go. So make sure to go and grab this one, and now on to the next one. We have 2 claims to go and do in this video, as well as major updates for crypto airdrop. So with that said, we jump straight onto the laptop. First thing first, a reminder that you only got a few days left, in case you haven't done it, to go and vote to be able to be eligible for the Jupiter Season 2 airdrop. So the link will be down below. You will be redirected over here. As you see, the bridging the governance over here for the vote. Click over to the governance page right here, and you have it here active. I've already voted. Make sure to go and vote because it ends tomorrow. And the other thing for the airdrop, as we see over here, is to go and swap. So swap between Solana, as we see over here, to USDC, or also very nice swaps to go and do to be eligible is Solana to Jupiter. Back and forth. You do the swaps, as we see over here, sign it to the transactions over on your wallet, and you are good to go. In my opinion, very important. And the 2 main criteria for the airdrop season 2 will be swapping and will be voting. So make sure to go and do it. How much? I would recommend you to do at least 10 to 20 swaps per day, counting as much volume as you can, but make sure to do it on a day-to-day basis, as it is super important. And make sure to go and vote in case you have not done it. We only got 24 hours more or less from the release of this video. Following up, we got a 20% boost rush over here over on the NX Finance, so make sure to go and join it right now. We got 290 members on my team, and very important, as you see here, you must join or create a team to get the airdrop points. So if you haven't yet not joined, make sure to join my team. We are ranked 600, which is absolutely amazing. We're doing phenomenally well, so thank you very much to everybody participating. We have the bonus as well, as we see over here. A 10% bonus have been gained, and we are looking forward to the 15% bonus if we reach 100,000 of the team total supply, either lended, borrowed, or etc. The airdrop is super easy. As you see over here, I am participating with 2 Solana, so you simply deposit and you basically stake your tokens, and you can withdraw them whenever you want. But we're gonna be looking very good for this airdrop, so make sure to join our team. Make sure to join right now and go and deposit even more if you have Solana, as we're looking for a 20% increase across the board. Loan from 1 to 1.2 points. Collateral deposit, for example, the loan I am depositing is what I'm doing. I'm earning 20% extra point because I'm lending. I'm simply depositing my Solana over here. Collateral deposit and soul deposits from 5 to 6 points. So extra points for me and everybody if you follow my technique to simply deposit. And then of course you can go and also withdraw it or leverage, up to you. But I do simply deposit, and we're doing really good over here with 476,000 points. Following up, a little update over here. If you see this one online, the ZK Sync era name service, it is a scam, so do not go and claim it. As we see over here, we got the ZNS airdrop confirmed. If you own a Zora name service, Ethereum name service, era, ZK Sync era name service, Scroll name service, Linea, or Base, this is a scam. Do not absolutely click it. We see over here, beware, scam, everything is a scam. So please, if you encounter this page over on the internet, on Twitter, anywhere, do not interact with it. Super important, you will lose your funds. Just to keep it out there, let you know. Following up, you will have, as you see right now, you can already go and sell your dog's airdrop. It has been claimed. It has gone directly to your account if you follow my steps. And as I did as well, I did trade it over on ByBit. So if you haven't yet done trading it, I already sold my allocation. Just to be completely transparent, I got approximately $54 in airdrop tokens. So quite happy with that, as it was a simple sign up and free to earn airdrop. The link is down below for you to go and sign up to the ByBit exchange and go and sell your token, make your money, and you're good to go out. So very, very good. $50 for a free airdrop. To be honest, I will leave you also some other free airdrops down below. Like, for example, there is a drift one, there is a gamble game one, there is a cat one, and there is a crypto rank one as well. So those are all other for free airdrop exchange or airdrop games over on Telegram that I do participate in, which are absolutely free to go and earn, which you can join right now as well. You know, $50 here, $50 there. You make 10 of those. Those are $500 worth of free to earn airdrop for simply playing or signing up to a basically Telegram game. Next up, we have important Berachain missions NFT over here. You can be eligible over on the Interact platform, and they are, as we know, Berachain, it is on a free to earn. It is still on a testnet, so all you gotta do is interact with the protocol. And we got to verify that you hold the House of Bera NFT. Follow the Bera RTO over on Twitter. You can go over here, connect your MetaMask, Discord, Twitter, etc. Join the Berachain ecosystem on Telegram and spread the word. So simply to just retweet the campaign. Now, this is a different Berachain RTO over here. With the Berachain ecosystem, we have followed a few. We have followed some as well. Also, for example, this one over here. Another one very, very important claim. The first one, the claiming of the NFT over on Zora. We have seen other interact quests that they do post. So make sure to turn the notification bell on in case you have yet not done it. And as we see over here, this is one of the minting, which we have it at the $2.59, the Bera X Astronaut, which you can go and mint, as we see over here, either on Base, on Arbitrum, whichever you want, and it is 0.001 ETH. So make sure for the airdrop to go and claim it as well. You have the possibility, make sure to go and get this one that we have seen over here as well as all the other interact quests, which are very, very important to go and do. We have seen as well with the Ovelto situation, and many more will come, so I will take you and keep you updated on all of them. Next up, we have the claiming of the orderly network. And before we go, let me know down in the comments what you think is my allocation for this one. Am I even eligible for this one, or did I make thousands of dollars for this one? Well, surprise, surprise, I made 0.12. Now, at time of recording this video, this situation over here, the price of this token is approximately 50 cents, if I'm not mistaken. It could have gone up or down. Let me go and check, for example, over here. Let me go over to ByBit, and we can go and check the price of this one. Now, we got the Solana over here, and we got the orderly network over here. Now, order, it is 20 cents. Okay, has gone down. I do believe it has launched at 50 cents. No, 25 cents was the max. It has, okay. So, my allocation for this airdrop, as we see over here, simply on the Ethereum ecosystem, claim it, and you will be able to go, of course, to go and claim it. I get this one. It costs potentially, I do receive 0.1. So approximately I receive 1 cent or 2 cent airdrop. And you know what was it for? I will not even go and claim it because it cost me more to go and claim this airdrop than to go and pay for the transaction fee. So I'm not gonna do it, but if you did, it's on the Ethereum network, Ethereum ecosystem, or on the MetaMask wallet, and you are good to go. So we got two claims. We got the dog one, and we got the orderly network. Following up, we have the Cosmos airdrop updates. Now we got the Saga number 4 airdrop. Let me know if you're eligible down in the comments below, which have been distributed. The ongoing STRD airdrop claim and instant unlock options. The drop airdrop campaign. We got the NAM airdrop balance as well, which has been given out, and I will give you this full post over on Twitter down in the description below, so you can go and check it. Another one, Tabi, another Cosmos chain you never heard of. We got the check your DGN airdrop allocation, PSS and airdrops, the Rise airdrop updates, the OM Gen Drop 2 as well. Look, talking about this, one other thing that I wanted to go and check, it was the Tabi airdrop over here. Now, you do remember we got the Lost Temple over here, which was the latest interaction with the protocol, as we see over here, and they are a little bit of a positioning for the world. So this one will also come very, very soon. But make sure to stay on the loop and make sure you are subscribed, turn the notification bell on, leave a like on this video, because we got some important update as you've gone and see. With that said, thank you for watching, and I will see you all in the next video. Ciao, guys.